Today we're going to learn how to install a grommet. A grommet has two main parts, a male side and a female side. The male side of the grommet has a barrel shape that will protrude up through the fabric. The female side, which is also called a grommet washer, looks similar to a common washer. To install a grommet, you will need to buy a grommet kit. A grommet kit will come with several grommets, an anvil base, a grommet setting tool, and a hole punch. You will also need a block of wood and a hammer. The first step is to mark the fabric where you want the grommet to go. Then cut a hole in the fabric using the hole punch tool and a hammer. Next, place the male side of the grommet on top of the anvil base with the barrel side facing up. Now place the hole in the fabric over the male side of the grommet and push down until the barrel is protruding up through the fabric. Next, place the grommet washer on top of the male side of the grommet. Be sure that the raised, rounded off portion of the washer is facing up. Now place the grommet setting tool into the barrel of the grommet and use a hammer to tap the setting tool until the barrel is crimped down evenly against the washer. This is what the grommet should look like when you're done. I will leave some links in the description to some inexpensive grommet kits that I have used in the past.